Ready? We gotta go in the next building. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey guys, we got 5 minutes! Hold it for 5! 5 minutes!
So we're in a unique situation where there's netting in between us and the other team, so.
What's going on? How's it going?
Brad! You guys are from Jersey?
We're from Jersey. Black Dog Mafia from Jersey. What's going on, fellas?
Unbelievable. What's up?
We got fire coming in from the left.
So the netting's in between us. We can see each other, but we can't shoot each other. It's a unique situation.
So what the fuck are we doing?
We're chilling out with my homeboy from Milwaukee.
Oh, they're from Milwaukee?
Wait,
Yeah, man.
wait,
Milwaukee.
Wisconsin or
Milwaukee and Wisconsin.
Milwaukee?
Not Milwaukee the state, Milwaukee in Wisconsin.